The disc and belt sander's potential for accidents is often underestimated, so the following advice is important. Before using these machines, you must wear eye protection, tie long hair back, take off loose jewellery and clothing, or roll sleeves up, and do not wear gloves. You can use sanders for smoothing wood and plastic, but not metal. The extraction for the sanders must be turned on for the machines to work. You must also make sure the appropriate blast gate is open for the machine you want to use. The on and off buttons for the disc sander are located on the left hand side of the machine. Always sand on the left hand side of the disc and introduce the material to the work table first, before the sanding surface. If this is not done, the workpiece could be pulled out of your grip and shoot across the workshop. When thinning down material, be careful not to go thinner than the gap between the work table and the sanding disc, as the material will disappear down the gap, leaving your fingers pressing against the sanding disc. Be aware that the sanding disc takes a while to slow down after pressing the stop button, so it's a good idea to use the brake lever on the back of the disc to stop the rotation. The belt sander's on and off switch is located on the left hand side of the machine. Make sure the plastic flap is down before using the top surface of the belt to avoid contact with the belt at the front. The metal flap should be closed if the machine is not in operation, and also when using the rounded part of the belt at the front. Introduce your material to the horizontal support first before the sandpaper, or the vertical support if you're using the top of the belt.